Nan, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank BakeAway Desserts by Jam. As you can see guys, these are very familiar to us. These are lovely desserts as well as some mga savory and soup-based Korean dishes dito. So let me introduce to you them one by one, starting off in the middle. So this is the brownie. These are heavy in a single piece. From that characteristic guys, it's evident it's a moist brownie. So let's, oh man, oh yeah, it is. Oh wow, it is so bitter-sweet because of the chocolate, and then surprisingly, yung palang nasa top ng brownies natin is salt. So it gives a little savory taste, no? Surprisingly, hindi sugar. So that is really clever. Later on, I'm gonna taste this more. I wanna move on guys sa kanilang Taisan. Ito yung parang Filipino version ng chiffon. Yeah, so this is the Taisan. Look this. Man, okay. As I mentioned guys, the Taisan is the Filipino version for the chiffon cake. Grabe, make sure that, you know, when you eat Taisan, you got a hot chocolate, a hot coffee, a juice, or at least a water. This bread will really require some liquid, no? So I want to proceed with the other products, and isa dito yung Pianono. So what is a Pianono? Pianono is a Filipino cake roll that is simple but delicious. It is a soft and spongy cake rolled with buttercream filling and with some sugar. So I think they have like 4 flavors, if I'm not mistaken. So meron tayong ube, pandan, caramel, and then I think this is the plain. Let me taste the ube. Yeah, inside it guys. So meron siyang buttercream filling sa loob. Wow, super. I was really surprised, no? The buttercream, grabe, it is so lovely. I'm gonna finish it. So they do also have banana loaf, which is this one. This is actually, again, basing on my observation, it is moist. For a size of this one, it is actually a little bit heavy. Dun sa banana loaf natin, you have your choco chips. It also has some nuts. So this is their banana loaf. I'm gonna taste it, guys. Yeah, I knew it. Hindi po ako nagkamali. This is actually a moist banana loaf, which is yun yung mga gusto ko sa mga ganitong tinapay, mga banana loaf. This one, again, it is so moist. And then, lastly, sa kanilang mga baked goodies. So, this is the Milky Cheese Rolls. Inside it, meron pa siyang milk. And then, on top, you have your powdered milk. Oh yeah. So, the cheese is actually sliced in huge portion. It is very generous. And then, the bread itself, it is soft. Okay, so lastly on their list ng mga products that they sent us, this is their fish cake. Actually, it's a soup base, no? Niluto namin siya earlier. The way you cook it is you boil 2 cups of water and then put in everything, yung ingredients na yung pampalasa niya, and then boil it until it's really soft and tender, or based sa preference niyo. So this is our cooked fish cake. It has a dip, and this dip is not just the usual. Oh yeah, check this out guys. Ang galing ng pagkaka-invento nito guys. You're gonna be surprised kung anong lasa nito. Wow! That is so flavorful. So this is the second batch ng mga product na pinadala nila. So meron tayo ditong, these are cheese roll breads as well as ensaymada. So these are cheesy ensaymada and then ube halaya sa loob. You gotta check that out. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video or natakam ka dun sa mga pagkain na pinakita ko sa inyo, you gotta check BakeAway Desserts by Jam and make sure to contact their fan page. Let's show some support and love by following their fan page for any updates sa kanilang mga products. And guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, to share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, please stay at home, stay safe, and God bless us all. Peace!